All right, so now we're gonna go on to do my face. So first I start off with a liquid highlighter. Okay, I have a primer that I'm gonna use as well, and it's No Pore Blem, yeah, by Prime Essence, I'm pretty sure. And this one, it leaves a tacky feeling for me, I like. And when you're doing your makeup, you kind of want it to be tacky. Sorry, I have freaking eyeliner on me. But I'm just gonna move it all over the face. And yeah, anyways, when I use a primer, I want it to be tacky so that the foundation sticks better. Especially in the heat of the summer, guys. Oh my gosh, my face, my makeup will just melt off. It's just horrible. So that's on there. I'm going to take a liquid highlighter. I'm going to put some onto my fingertips. Like that. Just swish it around. Then I'm going to put it on my high points of my face. So which would be chin, above the lip, cheekbones, and then I always put some on my forehead because I find I like it, and it makes you really glowy. Kind of just blend that out. Look at that, shiny. My face looks like a 10-man. Very glowy though. We're gonna put foundation over that, and then I'm gonna grab really quick. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go in with my foundation. Foundation I use is Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline. I love this stuff so much. It's in the color 238, Rich Tan Bronze Rich. I think that's how I say it. It's kind of a darker shade. I didn't match this for the longest time. I bought it during the winter, and for some reason I thought it would match me. I was definitely not dark enough for that. I'm gonna go in with that brush I used to carve out my brows and do my eyes with, and I'm just gonna kind of tip it over a little bit. Woo, like that. And then I'm going to just wipe it all over my face. And then I go in with my sponge and pat it out to blend it out even more. So I take this like e.l.f. brush, it's like a flat brush, and I blend it out with that. I'm gonna go in with my concealer now. So concealer, I put under my eyes. Well, it's the foundation that I've been using. That way. There we go. So we're gonna take that. This should be like the handshake challenge, like your hands are really shaky, so let's see how well you can do your makeup kind of thing. So I always put it under my eyes, on the nose right here, forehead, on the chin, right here, my smile lines, kind of right here. Kind of blend that out a little bit. Kind of go on the side of the nose because it will make your nose look a little bit smaller. And I think that's one of my biggest insecurities about my face is I feel like I have a big nose. It used to be I feel like I have a big forehead, but now that has changed. So yeah, just press it in like that. You guys are gonna hear my phone vibrating this whole time. Alright, so now that I have the concealer on the high points of my face, I'm gonna blend it out with this too. And then I'm gonna take this sponge. As you can see, it's so dirty. Guys, I really need to clean all my stuff. Like, this is really embarrassing. Don't come after me. I'm just gonna pat it in. Make sure it's all nice and blended out. Now I usually don't do contouring. I'll usually just bronze up my skin, but because I'm doing a tutorial, I feel the need to have to. So I take, it's this one. I actually got this from like Family Dollar, guys. Like, it's from Wet n Wild, is a makeup stick contour, and I usually just put it, just go like that. And they're like, you know, where your cheeks go in right there, that's where you're gonna want to put it. And then I put some right here and around at the top. And doing this kind of makes your face, like doing that makes your forehead look a little bit smaller. And then I put some under my lip and a little bit on the center because I feel like it makes my lips look a little bit bigger. And then I put some on the bottom of my chin right there. And a little bit right here. Like that. And then for this, I go in with a, gosh, I don't remember what these are called, guys. They were such a huge thing a long time ago. I don't remember what it's called, but this one's from Boxycharm as well. Boxycharm is a great like makeup thing. So if you go onto the Boxycharm website, you can do a membership for each month, and they send you makeup each month for like a small amount of money, and it's amazing. And a surprise, it's like you get gifts. I love it, guys. I love makeup, so that's pretty nice. I'm just gonna pat that in where I put it. Just blend it in like that. Go up to forehead, blend that in. See how now my cheeks are a little sharper, especially, I love that right there. It just looks so good. Just gonna pat that in, make sure it's all blended. So I do go down the nose a little bit just to try and make it look a little smaller. Kind of like that. And I put some down on my nose right here. And then I'll blend that out. But when I blend it out, actually take a smaller like beauty blender, kind of just pat that in there. I'm going to take this brush right here. And I'm going to take Everyday Vacay, and it's coconut setting powder by Everyday Vacay. Pretty sure. Yes? Yeah? Let's hope. And then I'm just gonna take, oh, you can't even see, guys. It's so bright. It's so brightening. It just went everywhere. I just spilled it everywhere, guys. That's nice. Well, I'm gonna put some under my eyes right here so it brightens it up and sets the concealer and foundation. And then I'm gonna put it on the side of my nose right here. Powder the rest of my face, but not where you put the contour on. Look at that one. That's so, love it. All right. Next, for where you put the contour. I am trying so hard to look at the camera, guys. I really am. It's hard not to look at yourself while you're filming. It's hard. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this one. I don't really, Ofra. It's by Ofra. It's a nice little bronzer shade. Bronzer Versatile Matte. And I always go in with matte shades on my face unless I'm putting highlighter on. I just don't like matte anywhere else on my face. I mean, I don't like any sparkles or shiny on my face unless it's highlighter, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to take this brush right here. It's kind of angled a little bit. See, and it's thin. It's perfect for doing your cheekbones. So we're going to bronze up the skin. And just go like that. Just bronze that up. All right, so now that all that is good, next comes blush, then highlighter. Oh, I forgot to do my nose. Okay, when I do my nose, I go in with an angled brush like this, a small one. Okay, I'm gonna pat that in, not a lot, because I can mess up on that a lot, but I kind of just tap it in softly. But see how the bridge of my nose looks way smaller now? See? And then I put some down here where I put that contour, kind of right here. And then I'll blend it in a little bit with my finger. And there we go. Okay, next is blush. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This one is a bronzer brush. I have another one. Let's see. I had way more than these ones. Like, so these all came from the Boxycharm box. I had some more, but I don't know where they went. I use this one for blush though. I really like the way it works. Obviously, you can see the blush on there. It's for a bronzer though, but I use it for my blush. And for my blush, I use this one. I don't really know how to say that. It's right there. My camera would focus. It's like, no, we're not gonna focus today. It doesn't want to do that. Halo Marbled Light. I think that's what it says. But that's what it looks like. Has a little bit of shimmer to it, which is fine. But it's a really pretty, like, rose pink color. And I take this all the way up here on both sides. Like, I stamp it up where I did my contour. I put it on the bridge of my nose, kind of dipping into the side right here. Like that. Put some on the chin. I like the way it makes me look, like, alive. After I put the blush on, I showed you guys that, I highlighted. So, highlighting, you go on the highest points of your face, kind of like all over right here. All in those spots. See how it's all glowy? And for that, I used the same palette I used for my crease. For the top of my crease, or right there. And I went back, yeah, this color right here, pop up. And then I just put that on the high points of my face. So like that, so I'm all nice and glowy. And then my desk is a complete mess. I'm gonna use some mascara, but I think I might brighten up the bottom of my eyes a little better. So like right here a little bit underneath where I put the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use this like brush, that one. Then go in with my setting powder again. See if I can brighten up the bottom of my eyes a little bit more. So this is baking. I'll show you, but this is what it really is. See? That's baking. And if you leave it on there, just stamp that on like that. And then I'll put some on the side of my nose right here. It's really bright, guys. So like that. Put it in. I guess I'll just do all the spots that I've needed to brighten. So all the high points of your face. Like that. I look crazy right now. Hi guys. And then I'm gonna take that brush I used to put all the setting powder on my face. I'm just gonna wipe it away like that. Always go up where it's on the sides of the nose. See, it's so much brighter. Now it's mascara. And for mascara, I always use this one. It's Great Lash by Maybelline New York. I have the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, and I really like this one, but I ran out and I added some water to it and shook it up, and now it's just really, really liquidy. And if I take it out too fast, it'll splatter mascara all over, and that's not fun. So we're gonna take this one. We're just gonna add that to my lashes. It's my face. We're gonna do my lips now. It's gonna go in with this. It's called Pink Chocolate. It's like a nudish color, like that. Yeah. I'm just gonna go in with that, and then, but first, here we go. This one right here. It is a lip pencil, and then it's by Maybelline New York. I have a lot of Maybelline stuff, guys. It's called Moisture Extreme Lip Liner, and number 30. Yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna take a mirror, and then I usually do the bottom like that. Makes my bottom lip look bigger. And I just fill it in like that. Now this is the part where I usually mess up. We're gonna go on the top and kind of where you have your Cupid's bow. See that? And then we're gonna go down on the side. Okay, it's one side. And there's that side. And then we're gonna go in with that nude, the pink chocolate one. Just gonna put that all over. So I'm gonna hit this one, Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick Monaco. And it's by Ofra. I love Ofra. It's a really dark one, but I find it so pretty. Oh. And there we go. Hey guys, so just a disclaimer, this is my first tutorial and I promise it will get better and better, but just bear with me, and I hope I explained myself good enough, and I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe and share with people my channel. I really would appreciate it, and I want to build a community and also just inspire people. And to me, makeup is an art. It's expressing my creativity, and I love it so much, and I want to share that joy with you guys. So bear with me. I promise my tutorials will get better, and as my channel grows, hopefully. And I love you guys so much.